Good afternoon, children. Welcome to your reasoning class. Analogy chords. First question in front of you. AB1, CD2. So what is the relation between these? A and then C. It means one letter skipped. B and D. C skipped. 1 and 2 forward counting. So what we have seen here? I will write this for you once again. A, B, 1 is to CD 2. So check the analogy. A and C means one letter skipped. B and D, B, C, D, C skipped, then 1 and 2 forward counting. So same in this. C, D, E, D skipped here. D, E, F, E skipped here. 3 and 4 forward counting. So the same way, how can you find out your answer? Question is LM3. Now it is in front of you. LM3 is to dash. This you have to find out. So analogy you understand very well. So that we have to jump, we have to skip one letter, then write next letter. So L, M we will skip and we will write N. Here M, N we will skip, next we will write here O. And 3, its next forward number is 4. So our right answer is NO4. So C option is right. Next, question number 2. XX8, YY7. XX8 is to YY7. Find out the relation, similarity between these. First letter and then it's the letter X, then its next letter. X, then next letter. Here 8 and 7, it means descending order, before number. First letter and its is next letter. The letter given and then we have to write its next letter. Here also letter given, its next Q. P given, P say next Q. Again P, next Q. 6 number given, its before number 5. L, next M. L, next letter M. 3, its before counting number 2. Now we can write the blank here. N, its next letter we will write O. N, again O. 4, its before number 3. So our answer will be NN4 is to dash, next letter O, N, its next letter O, 4, its previous number, its predecessor 3. So our right option is A, O, 3. Clear? Next is question 3. X9Y, Y8X. We observe it. Which is the similarity? The letter given, then next letter. The number given, its before number 9 and then its before number 8. Then number given, Y, its before number. So firstly after letter and then before number and then before letter. So we can write next in P, then next letter Q. 7 before number 6. Q, what comes before this? P. L, next letter M. 3, it's before number 2. M, it's before letter L. What comes before M? L, that we have to write. So this analogy is clear to you us. So we easily fill this blank. A, its next letter B. 6, it's before number 5. B, the letter before this is A. So what will be our answer here? Our answer will be B5A. So which option is right here? B. How? I am going to explain you. A6B is to dash. This relation we have to find out, and we understood that the similarity which we have observed between first was that key first letter and then its next letter, then number given, then its before number, that is 5. And now the last letter given, and now we will write its before number. So what comes before B? That is A. It is, I am not able to write here. So what is our right option here? A5B, no. B5A, yes. B option is right. Next question. Question 4. 12A, 23B. So firstly check this. It is first number 1. Here it becomes 2, next number. 2, here it becomes 3, next number, forward counting. A, B. Again in a forward counting way we can solve it. So what we have find out? The number and letter given, then we have to write their next number and letter. So here 2, it become 3, 3, 4. Letter L, next letter M. Same in this. So now we will come on our question. 1, its next number will be 2. 0, next digit will be 1. P, its next letter will be Q. So what will be our answer? Right answer here? 21Q. So check the option. Is this? No. Which is the right option? 21Q. D is the right option. So we will tick on D. How? 10P. This we have to find out. And relation we know that first digit and then we have to write next. It's after number. What comes after 0? 1. Then what comes after P? Q. So our answer is 21Q. Yeah, 21Q. Next is, now here is question 5 in front of you. ABC1, ABC1, DEF2. Check the relation. A then D, between two letters jumped. B and E, again two letters jumped. C and F, again two letters jumped. And then 1 and 2, next number. So in first 3, 2 letter, we will skip 2 letters and then write the next. And in digit, we will write only the next digit. So P, Q, R, we will skip. Then comes S. Q, R, S we will skip, comes T. Then R, S and T we will skip, next comes U. And digit 5, only next digit we will write 6. So how can we fill this? L, M, N we will skip, here comes O. Then M, N, O we will skip, what will come? P. Here after N we will skip 2 letters, O and P. So what comes here? Q. And 8 and its next number will be, we are writing next now, so it will be 9 here. So what will be the right answer here? O, P, Q, and here it will be 9. Options are not given in this, but now it should be clear to you that what we have to write here. L, M, N skip, O return. M, N and O next 2 letters skip, then P. N and then O and P skip, Q. And then next digit, that is 9. So right answer is O, P, Q, 9. Clear? Come on, next question. 6th one. See here. A 1, 2 is 2, B 3, 4. So firstly find out the similarity between these two. First letter, then second. First, second means we are here letters are written in a forward counting way. Next letter 1, then 3. It means 1 is odd number, then next odd number is 3. 2 is a even number, next even number is 4. So here firstly letters we are writing next letter, then numbers we are writing. If odd is given, then we are writing odd. If even is given, we are writing even number, next even number. So same here, P next letter Q. P next letter Q. 3 is odd number, next odd number 5. 4 is the even number, next even number is 6. Here T 5 6. So T next letter U. Again T next letter U. 5 is the odd number, next odd number will be 7. 6 is even number, next even number will be 8. So which option is right here? U 7 8. So C option is right. How we have done this? T and then next letter U. Here T, next U. 5 is odd number, next odd number 7. 6 is even number, next even number 8. Clear? Question number 7. A, B, C, D 1, 2, or you can say A, B, C, D and 12. But we read it separately, 1 and 2 is to E, F, G, H 3, 4. So firstly we will find out the similarity between these, and the same will be implemented in the next one also. So firstly here A and E comes after when we skip B and C. So कितने letters हमने बीच में skip कर दिए E लाने के लिए? 2 letters B, C. And B after F we have skipped here C, D. Then C के बाद again 2 letters jump D, E. C, D, E we have jumped, and then it should become A and then E. A, B, C, D. B, C, D. 3 letters we have jumped, not 2. 3 letters. B, C, D we have jumped. And here B, then C, D, E jumped. F comes here. Then C, D, E, F we will jump. Then G come. D, again 3 letter jump. E, F, G. Now next will be H. And the same here, 1 is odd number, next odd number is 3. 2 is the even number, next even number 4. Okay. Now same rule will be applicable here also. P, then we will jump 3 letters. Q, R, S. So what will come here? T. Then Q, R, S, T we will jump. So come here U. Then R, S, T and U we will skip. Then what will come? V. Then S, T, U, V we will skip. Then what will come here? W. 6 is a even number. So next even number 8. 7 is a odd number. So next number will come here 9. So which option is right here? You have observed. C option is right. So which is our right answer here? C. Question 8. No, I will write this for you. See, first letter P, 3 letters we have jumped. Q, R, S. So what we have written here? T. Clear? Then Q. What you have skipped here? R, S, T, and then next we have written here U. Okay. Now R. After R, S, T, U we have skipped. So what comes next? V. Okay. Then S, T, U, V we have skipped. So what comes next here? W. Okay. Then 6 is a even number. So next even number, if it is here even number, we have to write next even number. So next even number is 8. 7 is a odd number, we will write next odd number, that will be 9. So what will be our answer? TUVW89, and this the right option is here, that is C. So this is our correct option, and right answer is here TUVW89. Eighth question. A C, B is to D, B is to D, 1 is to 2 and 1 is to 2. It means B, 1 is to C, D, 2. So we will find out the connection similarity between these. You have observed that first letter, then third letter. First, again third. So we have skipped one letter in between. B, C skipped, then D. B, then one letter skipped, D. And in digits, first, then second, first, then second. It means in alphabets, we have skipped one letter, and digits we have written next number, next digit, forward counting. So same we will follow here. P, we will skip one letter, Q we will skip, and here we will write R. P R. Q R we will skip S. Q R we will skip S. And 5 its next digit 6. 5 its next digit 6. So our answer becomes RR SS 66. So check the options, which one is correct here? B, RRSS 66. So I have explained you all the questions. Now watch the video once again. Watch it carefully. You will understand the analogy codes. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.